Hello beautiful soul. So itong reading na to ay para sa mga air signs, which is the Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius signs. So kung ikaw ay Gemini, ikaw ay Libra, and Aquarius sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, this is your sign. You are here for a reason and there is no coincidence. I am Empress Soul, and let's see what are the messages that you need to hear. Okay. Wisdom, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, whole chakra. Accelerated motion, emotional loss. What is happening? Okay, so first card na nakuha ko, of course, air signs, okay? Wisdom. So it's more of you are knowledgeable enough, you've been through a lot of mga challenges in your life na unti-unti you are seeing the light, you're seeing something like you can share your experiences, okay? As you can see also na para bang unti-unti there is, I can also see a chapter in your life na you will be building or you will be going somewhere, okay? Relocation yung nakikita ko for you, okay? For some of you, this is relocation. For some of you, you are born to be a leader, you're born to be a mentor, or parang tinatawag nila yung parang speaker, okay? Messenger, ganon. Okay? With the heart chakra and solar plexus chakra, I can also see here na marami ka talagang abilidad. And with the heart chakra, this is something like parang you, this is more of the heart kasi. This is more of how emotional you are or how forgiving you are. Like it's unconditional love na nakikita ko for you. Like if there's someone na may sala sa'yo, talagang even though sobrang nagagalit ka na sa kanya, even though may, alam mo yung parang hatred na talaga nakikita, nangingibabaw yung pagmamahal, nangingibabaw yung puso talaga, like even especially kung kapag anak mo to, like ito ay nagsisimbolo ng unconditional love ang nakikita ko for you as well. With the solar plexus chakra, this is to sa baba, like parang sa part ng mga tiyan natin, so more of kinakain natin. Pero ang maganda dito is naka-upright siya. So mean to say, you are aligned or unti-unti, like parang nag-a-align na siya for you. Okay? I can also see here, so for solar plexus chakra nga pala, more on na nakikita ko din minsan dito is more of sa mga kinakain natin. Like for some of you, you will be eating parang more unhealthy na kinakain natin. Like or this is a reminder for you na kailangan mo namang wag palaging mga processed foods. More on dun ka na sa mga pagkain na talagang magbibigay sa'yo ng energy talaga. Okay? And accelerated motion, naka-reverse siya, and we also have emotional withdrawal. Okay? So, I feel like parang gulong-gulo ka na sa isip mo ngayon, and I feel like gulong-gulo ka na sa isip mo ngayon, it's because you feel like parang bakit hindi pa dumarating yung mga wishes ko, yung mga minanifest ko, bakit hindi pa siya dumarating. But the last card I got here is the material and spiritual prosperity, okay? And for some of you, nakikita ko, like this is the time for you to be like go on the beach, okay? Go on, magsyargaw ka kung maaari, okay? Go on something into nature, no? Para makapag-contemplate ka, para masabi mo yung mga hinanakit mo, or para ma-release mo. This is a time also for you to ground yourself, okay? Para you need to connect with the nature, para makakuha ka ng energy and ma-release mo yung pain na nandyan sa buhay mo. And with the material and spiritual prosperity, okay, maaaring iba sa inyo ay into spiritual. So, there are blessings na nakikita ko for you. Overflowing blessings ang dadarating for you. And with the material, so there is a manifestation, like marami yung iba sa inyo, marami nang ina-add to cart dyan. Like mga gusto kayong bilhin or something na matagal mo nang inaasam, and this is in confirmation na makukuha mo din yan, okay? Makukuha mo din yan. So, for now, more of, nakikita ko, we have 5 right here, so this is more of changes and balance as well. The 6 is more of health as well. I can also see that. So, it's more of, ano yung kinakain mo, ano yung tinitake mo. We also have here, the last card is the power. So, as you can see, yung half niya is Leo. So, usually, ang Leo, kasi it's more of the heart din kasi, no? Talagang alam mo kung saan ka talaga papunta, and you have this power over you. Like, may mga visions ka na, maaring yung iba sa inyo may mga visions ka na, or you are someone like parang talagang matapang talaga na you will do everything to get your goal, no? Like walang inaatrasan. Ang Leo talaga walang inaatrasan, okay? So this is your energy, and I hope na nag-resonate sa iba, and if not, then you can see my other videos. Follow me for more, and please do comment. Thank you, and God bless you.